Hello you guys, it's TanishaCandy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for the new year. 2021 is definitely going to be my year. I have decided to make sure that I reach all my goals, and it starts with making more YouTube videos. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. I want to show you guys my favorite nude lipsticks that I've been using for years, and these are my current favorites. So I have a comparatively fair skin tone, so what works for me doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work for you. But I'm so excited to show you guys all of these options, and let's get right into the video. So I've divided them into categories in terms of where you can get these products. So first I'm going to start off with the products that you get only in India. Then I'm going to move on to products that you get internationally and in India. And then I'm going to go over the lipsticks that are just available outside of India. So I'm going to start off with the Masaba by Nykaa lipstick in the shade Cool Guy. It's their velvety matte lipstick and I really love this. It looks so nice on the skin and it is a perfect nude for me. Here you can see how it looks on my hand. It has a slight pink tinge to it and also a slight orange tone. I really love this color. I also recommend the other shades that she has under this line. They're all really nice for Indian skin tones. This lipstick retails for rupees 599 on Nykaa. The next one on my list is the All-Time Pro HD Intense Matte Lips and Primer from Faces Canada. This is a slightly drying matte lip color, but I really love it if you wear a lip balm or a lip exfoliator underneath it. This product retails for rupees 799 and you can get it on the Faces Canada website. Online, this product looks like a perfect nude, but I do see it has sort of an orange undertone to it, so just keep that in mind. It's more towards the warm spectrum rather than a cool or neutral color. Oh, and I also forgot to mention the shade that I'm using is in Tease or number 14. Moving on to one of the newest additions in my collection, this is the Fay Beauty Buildable Matte Lipstick. I have it in the shade Too Basic. Now I got this because I thought it would be better for my skin tone, but it turned out to be more pink than I expected. However, I do love that these are buildable, so you can use one swipe and wear it as a nude lip, or you can go 2 or 3 swipes and go from day to night. So I really love that these are easy to use through the day. I also highly recommend using a lip balm before wearing this one because this is super drying too. This lipstick retails for about 600 rupees on their website, but if you go on Fay Beauty, you get a bundle deal of getting 2 of them for 1000 rupees. So I definitely do think it's worth it. And here is how it looks with just one swipe on my lips. I really like that. Now moving on to the products that you get both internationally as well as in India. The first one I'm going to start off with is the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Interview. I really love this. It's also a perfect nude for me, and the consistency and formula is super luxurious and not as drying as the other ones I mentioned before. This retails for about 1995 rupees on Nykaa and for about $25 on the Huda Beauty website. The next one is a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. Now this is again a super amazing formula. It's super luxurious, and when you put it on your lips it's kind of liquidy, but then it becomes very lightweight and you feel like it's not even there. I've worn this for so many occasions and I just love this formula. The shade that I have right now is in Trendsetter, but I also love the other shades that they have, like Icon. The lipstick retails for about 1825 rupees on Nykaa and for about $20 on Sephora. Now the next one is a recent launch in India. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk Medium. The reason why I didn't get just Pillow Talk is because I've tried those shades out in person and they are just so light for my skin tone. So I went for the medium and I do think this looks really good on my skin. This shade is like a warm berry pink color that I really like on my skin tone. The formula is also super luxurious and it retails for about 3,150 rupees on Nykaa and for about $34 on Sephora.com internationally. Now moving on to some of my internationally available lipsticks. First one is going to be the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Angel. Now I got this in one of her holiday collections, that's why it's all silver, but I think you can still get it as an entire lip kit on her website. This is like a light pink shade that I think goes super well for, again, every day. I used to have this on when I would go out to college or when I'd have to go out for meetings in the morning. It's super effortless and I love how it looks on the lips. I do not personally recommend this for darker skin tones though. The lipstick is super drying, so I would definitely recommend a lip balm or lip exfoliator before you put this on. The lip kit on her website retails for $29 and if you want just the lipstick, it retails for $17. Now the last one in the collection, but also my favorite of all of these nude lipsticks, has to be the Hydra matte lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics in the shade 1995. Now I've been using this shade for so many years and this is like my second bottle that I've completely finished up. I love this shade. It's a little darker than the rest of them, but I do think that it pops out when I put my makeup on, and it also has a really nice moussey formula that does not damage your lips. The color is more towards a brown warm shade and I really love this. The product retails for around $20 on the Gerard Cosmetics website. So there you have it guys, those are my favorite nude lipsticks of all time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Personally, I like the one that I'm wearing right now, which is 1995 Gerard Cosmetics. It's been my all-time favorite. The one I have is literally 95% over. If you guys want to see the whole tutorial on how I do this makeup look, then follow me on my Instagram. I have so many other looks that I do. All my fun stuff is over there. Things that I'm afraid to post on YouTube, it's all over there. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram, you guys, and I will see you next week with another video, hopefully.